Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I finally received this unit, right? I just cut off these straps which were across that case. Here is the reason why I bought it, right? We call it Deer Forester because this poor thing hit the deer and it needs some massaging to get it back in the shape as it was, right? So you can see this whole front is bent, it's in the bad shape, and that's a reason for purchasing this. I'm not an expert, I never own it, but I will invite you for the unboxing. You might be in the same situation as I was. I never owned it. Didn't want to buy the 5-ton or 2-ton or whatever it was that I bought a full power, right? But I have no clue about any of this. Number one, this paper was on this with those straps, right? And it's super heavy, and it came in the paper box. Number one, do yourself a favor and remove that box immediately. Why? Because you don't need to be dragging it around. You can actually be driving it to the place where you want to open it. So this is incredible feature. Let's put it this way, right? Look at it. You can move it easily around, and here we go. As I said, I never opened it before. I have no idea even what is inside, but I would like to share it with you. As I say, you might be in the same situation like I was, right? Shopping for the tools and not really knowing what is inside, where is some review and so on. Let's go look closer. So you just saw me to open it. Here is the whole set, and let's look through the box what is inside. You already getting idea how it's packed, how it's shipped, right? I bought it from Amazon. That was the cheapest place to buy this thing, right? It was the cheapest retailer or dealer or whatever I should say, right? So here is a little bit crushed, this box. It's a gauge. So hopefully the gauge is not damaged. Oh, good. So it's a fluid-filled gauge. They put even Teflon tape for you, right? Or for me. The box is empty right now. So fortunately nothing happened to that. That will suck if you open this and it's already damaged. It's probably made in Japan. There is some Japanese writing on it. Who knows? Anyway. Here it comes with the operating instructions and the parts manual, right? And that's another thing. Oh, you see 4-ton and 10-ton. I couldn't remember the other rating for the other kit. So this is one of the reasons why I paid more for this brand. There were cheaper sets available there, but that's exactly those parts, right? And the available other components, our tips and so on. This is what has the value, at least for me. You might have a different opinion, but this is why I bought this one and not some others. And once again, my friend, I'm not some expert here. I'm just sharing with you, if you want to purchase it, what will be inside. I have no idea how these adapters are called, right? Not going to pretend here like what an expert I am. I will just show you how this looks like, how it's packed, what you can expect when you buy the whole kit, and that will be basically it. So if that's not something what you are searching, quit this video right now, because that's all what I will do. I will be not showing you how to put it together because I don't know how to do that. I will follow that manual which was there, right? And that if I will have use for it, right, for this vehicle, which I better have, it was pretty expensive, this whole set, I will film it. Of course, I would love to do that, love to show you that on this Subaru, right? So there's a really long hose, you can see it, it goes all the way around here for that pump, right? And that might need some kind of, right, these are these hydraulic units which will be basically doing the work and moving these rods. So they are basically, if I'm correct, that's 3 different lengths, right, for using this system. There's one more hidden, it was tagged underneath those, and that's this one, right? So I apologize for not giving you some really great terms and so on. Oh, I'm finding a problem right away, and it's very unfortunate. Look at this. This is the side of the case. Oh, shoot. Oh, that's a pity. So this whole case, maybe it was dropped somewhere. Look at this. Well, that's too bad. I guess somebody dropped it somewhere, and the weight, and this is over 70 pounds, I believe, heavy. The weight of these things, if this fell somewhere, it completely shattered this corner. For me, that's not a reason to return it or anything. I will keep it and definitely put it together and start using it ASAP. So I will read this, put it together, and that might be a next video for you. If I succeed working with it, I will definitely invite you for that. Thanks for watching of this simple unboxing, and be subscribed. I have a lot of videos coming your way soon on this channel. See ya!